Hi, Vera here, or otherwise known as V. So I'm here to share with you one of the tutorials, and this is about how to set up AWS so that you can back up your websites to it. So AWS is Amazon Web Services, and a well-known storage facility service that they provide is called S3. Now the reason why I choose this is because it's free to back up your website backups through Updraft Plus to AWS, and AWS offers 1 year of free storage up to 5 gigabytes so that you don't have to pay. After that, even though I back up 3 websites to AWS and I back them up every week, I pay around 20 Australian cents a month for that storage. So it's very, very cost effective. So for my clients who I do backups for, I recommend that they open an AWS account. And once they've opened that account, I go in and I set up the buckets for them so that they can back up to it. So this is how I set up the bucket. You would have already gone in. This is the URL, awsamazon.com. You go in here and you create an AWS account like you see here. And then once you have that account, so if I log in to the management console, that's just to get into my account. And sorry, the website's a little bit slow. I always use the root user to log in. And then I have my email address and the password. Okay, so they want an authentication. So that's all right. So they've sent it to an email, so I'm just going to put it on pause while I get that. Okay, so I've got the one-time password. And so I'm logged in. So what the first thing you need to do is in your account, under your name that you got your account, you go to security, my security credentials. And in here, it's called the IAM Management Console. In here, you need to get your access keys. So that's your access ID and your secret access key. Now the thing is, when you go there, you can see I've got 2. When you go there and you create an access key, you can get the key ID, but the secret key, they don't show you. So if you need the secret key, you've got to go in and create a new access key. So I highly recommend when you create your new access key, you keep your record of your access key and your secret key in a safe place. So once you've done that and you've set up your keys, what I do is suggest you go to Services, S3, your storage. And you create a bucket. Now a bucket is just what they call the term for the place where you store your backups or whatever it is you're storing on the storage. So you can see I have quite a few buckets. So the way you do it is you create a bucket. Now you can't call it my backups or anything like that because they don't like that. So for example, if I do stress-free tech backups, I know that's for my stress-free tech websites. You choose your location and you choose the one that's closest to you. When you put your name in, there must be no capitals, there must be no funny symbols or anything. It must just all be lowercase and all one word. There's a naming convention here. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to block all public access and create the bucket. And that's it. You have created your bucket, see it down here, for your websites, and it's not public. And that's all there is to it. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to create a public one so that you can store things like your freebies or audio files or whatever, so that your clients can access them and you provide the link to them. All right, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.